Hey, it's CARCRAZEDKID here. Today I'm checking out this 911 993 Porsche GT2 race car, by the way. And see this tow hook? This thing it looks very beat up and it doesn't look like it would work as a tow hook, but this is actually probably one of the strongest points on this car. And then also this humongous fuel tank. It's so huge. Just in the pits, they just fill it up, take it out, do all the other necessary stuff like the tires, and they're off. Also, this really white door with these windows made of plastic, and unlike your regular window, it's not a windy window or a power window. You just slide this, and that's how you close and open the window. We also have this roll cage with FIA padding and this quick release MPI steering wheel with a 5-speed stick shift manual and these Sparco racing seats. And then this humongous wing, you can see these vents here. That's because this engine is actually air cooled. And just look at the size of this wing. You would probably have a whole family Thanksgiving dinner on this carbon fiber racing wing. Then also you have this dual straight pipe exhaust. And then the racing deep dish wheels with the really, really powerful brakes that this car comes with. And it really needs it when you're racing on the track and you need to stop really quickly. So that was this Porsche 993 911 GT2. If you enjoyed this content, then you might enjoy our other videos, like the video on Shelby Daytona. But I'll see you next time.